Hi, Julie!
And I'm ready to sleep because I have to wake up so early in the morning. 5:30 a.m. I have to be awake. And I haven't been sleeping lately for Paris, LA, even from Japan. I think I haven't rested well. So it's gonna be interesting. See you at the airport. 5 a.m. I'm going for Mom's birthday. She's turning 50.
Tired. But actually, we're now more awake than tired. And I'm excited. For a long time, I wanted to go to Bali. And I've not wanted to, but everybody was telling Bali, 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 Bali. Let's see. Let's.
I arrived to the hotel and on the way I was sleeping and I was greeted by Mom, by my assistant Alina.
Хочешь, може, на скутері поїхати? На ньому її качаємо?
Ні.
Да, ще давай зайчик. Wow, that's beautiful. Now I need to find my parents for breakfast somewhere. I have no idea where to go, but let's see. I couldn't wait when I can wear my Brazilian outfit again. I feel too naked, even though I understand it's Bali, but wow, look. Oh wow, this is actually so beautiful. I think it's been ages since I saw those type of art. One day I'll wake up and I will not feel swollen from all the flights and from all the junk food. But now today is my mom's birthday and we have to, my assistant prepared something for us to go swim, to go walk in the park, and today we are riding a scooter. I'll just throw it at him?
Yeah.
Okay, so I hope I will not get burned because I'm super white and I did laser, so I cannot. Yeah.
Hold my hand like this is like diving. This is the main dangerous.
Вот смотрите, вот когда такой
This is
значок,
signal.
это значит, что сигнал, это значит, что что-то опасное рядом.
When my slow.
Slow, yeah.
Flat. Jalan dia. Jalan dia. Harus semua nih.
Юля.
Baby, oh, it's so cute.
Something, like I touched something? I touched something. I don't know how it happened. But like I touched. Что случилось? Я дотронулась до чего-то просто. Это было что-то физическое, что-то крупное.
We're gonna eat now finally. I'm so hungry. Okay, we love their food. We ordered like some weird, but you're still waiting? But too hungry.
Это ваша еда?
Jordan.
Просто чисто бомжи, бичи.
Big portion.
Ужас.
Видите, попросила less bread.
Ну реально.
I'm walking to the car right now. We finished dinner. It was lovely. And now, I hope you can hear me. Now, going back to the hotel. I'm gonna take my melatonin pill. And I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep. I'm so tired. And I need 12, 13 hours of sleep. I really need it.
Для влога скажи, где ты, что ты.
Вот сейчас туда пойду. I'm gonna go there now.
Yeah.
This is shit.
Oh my.
So cute. Oh my god.
No.
Who is that? Fish? Okay, more details. More details to understand. Ah! Is it like it's a fish? Or
Yeah, I think it's a fish, big fish.
but it smells like rotten fish. Yeah. Look.
Нет, второй, мне кажется, это альбинос.
Albino.
4 hours total.
Yeah.
Because we will go to Alingaling, it's close to...
Alingaling.
And maybe we will go to
It's our healthy and healthy food. Я уже видела. I arrived to sauna. Oh, she went to the more cold one. Ooh. Bravo, bravo. I'm just here. It's already cold enough for me. I don't have to. How to say? I don't want to contrast my body too much. Here for I think like 30 minutes trying to get the content. Это как? Не знаю. Почему? God is like, oh, you need some light. We've been trying to upload the video, no, upload the pictures. She forced me to do that. Bro.
Should I post it?
Should we post it?
And what is really insane that she knows the picture
The
is located.
dates, yeah,
Yeah,
where
the
the
dates, and she knows like 4 years ago. This one, yeah. Tomorrow we're going to Waterfalls.
I was so skinny. Oh my god, I gained so much weight. I feel so fat. Bro, I need to lose weight. We don't eat tomorrow.
I will eat tomorrow. So yeah, I've been forcing like for more than 1 month, and now we meet each other for the first time in real life, and we must do this now. After like long beach day, we were tired after sauna, and she
Yeah,
was
I was
like,
about to
"No,
go
not
sleep
today."
already.
She was tired and she wanted to go sleep, and I was like, "No, please bro, we should do it now.
We've been sitting for an hour here.
Because if we will not do it today, we will not do it like any
Never.
day. Yeah, never. And after she will go to travel again, and it will be not the time. Oh, sexy. Horny.
Oi, head back.
Yes. I
You
have.
can see that? Wait.
I think yeah. It's not good. Oh, lights again. We go to sleep. See you tomorrow. Bye.
We're already halfway and feeling dizzy. I don't know if it's Alina or the roads. And I decided not to eat because I feel fat. And Alina also decided not to eat, and now we're super hungry. But at least we feel lighter. If we ate and we were feeling dizzy, I think it would be more not nice.
I don't like it.
I like it. I like pancakes.
No sugar. No sugar. Okay. Thank you.
They told me not to get ice because it's made out of water, who knows which water. So basically I only wash my face, I brush my teeth with bottled water. Sorry, I made a mess here. But I don't want to have a Bali belly from this ice, and I don't want to shit the rest of my trip. Sometimes I forget that like I cannot put water in my mouth and like, but finally juice is good. Okay. They love Bruno Mars here. Actually, the music I've noticed in the places is very, very nice, beautiful. Like that's what I would sing on. This was my first song that I sang on my singing classes. Oh my god, that looks so good. Can I ask you for one more like this, but no ice? Oh, so baka. So baka.
Jam sekarang 1.400.000.
1 juta.
Very far dolphin.
But this private boat.
Private only two, not group.
Not group. We don't like group.
Hello. He's your dog. Hello. Hi. Because you smelly, that's why they come to you. Because you don't take showers. Oh, we ate so much. I think Hermes slippers were not the best idea for Bali in general, but what to do? I found something. Oh. It's actually heavy. How many kg? Doesn't say. I need to do the left biceps as well because otherwise it's gonna be not even. Thank you. Done.
Okay.
Ya. Terima kasih.
Our waterproof bag.
You have waterproof bag.
Oh, you have a better one.
Technology.
He has a better one.
Yeah, I think so. This is what I was asking. Going to see dolphins. Going to see dolphins.
I cannot see dolphins.
Why? Hi.
Возьми телефон. Возьми телефон.
Возьми телефон, детка, я знаю, ты хочешь позвонить.
I go front? Yeah. Oi, oi, oi. There's so many.
Wow.
Oh, boss, thank you.
Where you from?
Russia.
Oh, давай.
Давай.
Glad.
Спасибо. Дура.
I love you, baby.
Who do you call baby? Who do you love?
Baby.
Dolphin.
Dolphin baby. Yeah. You see? Yeah, they're here.
They're behind.
Behind?
Yeah.
So you see how it looks like. So we are in a boat, and this is what I told you about.
Like that?
Yeah. When I just jumped, they were down.
Oh yeah.
It's actually scary.
Yes, it is.
I cannot see like anything.
Yes, it is.
Like dark.
This is blue water.
Blue water, dark, but this is like what? How many meters under us?
100.
What's
200 meters.
200 meters?
Yes.
What the fuck?
Very deep.
We can go faster. I like it.
Oh no, 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 no.
Yes. So now we see. She asked, and after she feels like the water pushing her. Here. I see them! Like in front of us. Сам процесс приятный.
Да, скажи, просто приятно. Особенно, когда быстрее летишь.
Гидромассаж.
Да, гидромассаж.
Мне сиськи выпадают.
Да, сиськи тоже выпадали. Но их не видно. Главное жопа. Но и то, жопа нормально сверху, снизу не важно. Для дельфинов чисто. Ой, so many. Oh wow, to the left, over there. Oh my god.
I see them. Wow.
Полицейский. Okay, we're done. We're going next location. Do you want to come with us? You got scared? I'm sorry. How do you think we're gonna... Ah! My ноги! Ага, окей. Подножку, стой! Давай, ты камень сломала. Бро, ладно, я не могу его брать. Ты сломала. Мы не проедем, да? Давай вот здесь.
Так, надо будет съесть.
Точно?
Да.
Не могу. Ну, давай. Не едет? Кому я доверяю? Okay. Sorry. Собака смотрит.
Не калибри, да, там справа калибри, смотря на карте.
Нет, это не калибри.
Калибри, понятно.
I'll sleep amazing today. Like never before. Wow. Beautiful.
We're going to Alingaling waterfall, the highest top 3 waterfall in Bali. And this is holy waterfall. So you cannot swim there because of the power of this waterfall, of course, and because of its holy. Like, look at it. Insane view. Here we can take some content and just, I don't know, it's hard to like feel how it's in real life. Now we came to the place where we can jump. We can jump together.
Yeah, yeah. But don't hold the hand, yeah? Давай, давай. Go for it, go for it.
Can I jump with him?
One, send it.
Come on, you're on the block. Come on, let's jump. Yeah! Our dinner spot.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
I know.
Chicken noodle with an egg, extra protein, quesadilla, dumplings, gyoza. But parents are very healthy. They're just prawns, seafood, and us like kids. Finally, we're at the restaurant. We can order whatever we want to. Actually, very good chicken. From 0 to 10, how much is it?
8.
Already going to the villa, and the way is too steepy. Oh my god.
Facing the Bali.
Very good. Oh wow. Actually, very nice. I'm ready to live here, to be honest. Take off the shoes?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, this is coconut and fruit for us.
Yeah.
Yeah, and by the way, do you have water here?
Water, yeah, we have water. This water. And if you want...
Bottles. Do you have bottles?
Bottle, oh no, you can take glass here.
No, bottles. We need bottles, yeah.
Yeah. And also, do you have coffee?
Coffee, I don't have coffee, I don't have a restaurant.
Okay, but
you
have
can-
a restaurant?
No, I don't have. You can order in Grab. maybe.
Погодите, это, вот это и все?
Yeah.
Yeah, this...
Your comments?
I want to live with my parents. The spider.
The door.
Блядь, паук. Большой был. We packed everything, and now we're going to Canggu to explore it for the first time. I'm gonna work out and meet some people and eat good food. So we just arrived to the new gym called Omni. All my friends were sending me this one to check it out. And wait, something wrong with the camera. And Alina, while arranging everything, there was like a big form. And so yeah. We already checked inside, but I'm gonna show you. They have a separate leg room. What we're gonna do today. And the girl just entered. She looks so beautiful. Her legs are so tan and no fat. I'm jealous in a good way. I also have to focus on that.
I did my glutes now. They're hanging out.
Help you?
Arrived at some co-working space. I'm gonna go eat there.
Oh, it's nice here. So you just choose what you want with a marker. Thank you so much. This is so big. Oh my god.
We didn't expect
I was thinking the coconut was so big, but actually this is the size of the coconut. This one is well. We just finished our food and we moved outside and the area is so nice. Yeah, we have so many things to catch up on. We arrived at the sunset spot. So many dogs, many people, beach, bikes.
We just arrived at the dinner. I'm gonna have some food. Looks cozy.
Well, that's good. Just have a few drinks.
I ordered burger
They good, right?
because this is a meat place and I don't really eat meat unless it's in a burger.
Right.
Beef tartare.
So just go there. What you want to do?
Beef tartare.
I like when it's like burnt.
I don't like it.
That's on fire.
It is, but it's very good.
Is that normal?
Oh, did we see you today?
Yeah, you were sitting next to us at open house. Oh,
Yeah.
I think I've asked you.
For my air, you wanted to steal my AirPods.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
What a coincidence.
Why do you follow us?
We just decided to come here very nonchalantly, right?
Yeah.
It was last minute decision.
Okay.
Right.
The guys are trying to hit on us. So they're like, oh girls, like you're content creators, like what's your plans?
To be unique.
It's pretty unique. We've never seen somebody twice a day. Yeah, like you girls are unique.
Can I follow your Instagram?
Look how she's dressed. Oh, yeah, let's go. Time sleep. I cannot anymore. Oh, you look like a fucking homeless. So bad. It's so funny. I cannot. Спать на второй этаж, блядь. С мамой, с папой. Слухай. No fucking way! No! No! Bro!
What the
Our tire! No! What do we do now? How the fuck this happened? What do we do?
happened?
I don't know.
It just,
I heard it sound.
yeah, me too. It was somebody shooting.
Somebody was shooting. It was us. It was us.
Where do you stay?
Ubud.
Wow.
Вау, я.
Мы просто услышали звук, оно взорвалось, и мы просто едем, я чувствую, что меня заносит. Мы,
Да,
ну, типа,
заносит,
она
да.
прям это села, и мы просто смотрим, оно, ну, типа, оно все, оно уже пустое, на нем невозможно ехать. Блядь, нам пизда, да? Мы не будем никому давать.
Ставит.
О, у него кроксы, как у меня.
О, Yeah, our taxi just arrived and we're gonna pack everything and just go by taxi. Thanks. Да, только здесь уже не паук, а lizard. Yeah, it's good. He's gonna eat everyone who we don't like. Our whole life is here right now. Good morning. Going to the gym, then going to the party tonight. Okay, gym was unlucky. Now we arrived to the place where my friend recommended me to go, and it looks so cool.
Yeah, so fancy, so like
Fancy. And I hope food is good. The place looks really lovely, but I don't think we're gonna stay here. We're gonna go to the open house, the place where we've been a few days before. I think it's better. We're gonna take this bag because it's perfectly matching with the dress that I haven't tried yet. This is very new.
yeah.
Color.
Oh, okay, yeah.
This is extra small. You can try it first and I'll you if you want to.
Yeah, it matched.
Bro, stop своими ночнушками. I had the butterfly, small butterfly that I bought in Paris and I lost it somewhere. I've been using it all summer and now I don't know where it is. So I'm sad.
So we take only this one. This is too heavy, I don't know, maybe too hot.
What is the material? So I can turn on 550.
Okay, card. Bye.
Actually, we were going to eat, but something moved us to another place. It's called Reload, and we loved it. We checked the gym, so it's basically the gym. They have very good dining area where we can work exactly what we wanted to. Anywhere we eat, it's so delicious. And this tuna burger right now,
For the breakfast?
it's like it reminds me of childhood in the kindergarten where they were feeding us this thing. Thank you. This is protein pancakes, by the way. Machi is 5 out of 10. Burger was 10 out of 10, like 11 out of 10. Salad was very bad, 2 out of 10. Okay, this is 8 out of 10. Okay, we actually arrived at the gym. Same, but we can only be in this area. I want to do a pull-up. Can you film my pull-up? Anymore. This one was 10 out of 10. Yes. Very good place. Oh my gosh, we arrived to the place to see my friend Radin, amazing friend. Good to see you after after 2 years not seeing each other. My camera is somewhat always dirty. I don't know why. You see the light? I always wipe it. Always dirty. You can take no more. Bali bikes get different.
It's different.
Different. Pero
If you pray in Bali, you use that.
did you pray?
Pray, yeah.
Okay, what did you pray for?
For safety.
Safety?
For health. Yeah, yeah. Pray to God.
Okay, good. Where are we? What are we doing?
Shortcut. This is shortcut.
Sitting nowhere. Somebody's gonna kill us here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Again at the same spot. And I'm eating bread again. I feel so freaking fat, but I don't care at this point anymore. Don't look at it. It's mine. Yesterday we were having pancakes, and I was cutting for myself. I just cut it. It's like perfect. I eat how I wanted to eat, and she just goes and taking my cutted part. And she was like, okay. After I say like, cut yours. They came to Lasti beach in Lovato. It's nice, but today is like tight and there is chilly. She's there. You see the mother. So good. Okay, the first one. I think it's not good. I think it's gonna be not the best. That's why I'm trying it first. 3. Marshmallow gonna be the best. Okay. 7, 8. 10 out of 10. 9. We're looking for the hotel. First one was they have a construction next to it, and it's gonna be too loud.
But it was very good location.
Very good location. Kitchen хорошая. Does AC work here?
Sorry?
AC.
Yeah, it's working.
Okay.
But we turn it off because
Yeah. О, твоя кровать.
Oh, nice.
Okay, good night. Hey, our stuff arrived from Ubud. I was just choosing outfits for surf, but I think this is too much. I'm not sure what people wear for surf.
We found a good gym.
A really good one.
Amino acids that I have to take. Yesterday was skipped because we didn't have any of our stuff.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Jeb.
Nice to meet you.
Jeb.
Jeb, will you teach me well?
So while Julie is surfing, I need to pack all our stuff. And we still didn't book nothing because our plans changing like every hour. And I don't know yet where we go, and I don't know how I will pack it in 10 minutes. Everyone should has assistance, so you will do enjoyable things while somebody will do everything to make your life easier. Okay, maybe I will ask them. Just help me to close it. Yes, maybe we should do this carefully. Oh yes, thank you so much. You know what is funny? This big one and this one is Julie's, and this one also is Julie's, and this is only my stuff. And this is very small, and is more funny thing that this is like all my things, because in 2 weeks I'm moving to another country and this is like all my stuff.
As you can see my face, surfing was good. And here you can see the scratch, and over here hurt. Drinking coconut now, waiting for Alina to pick me up, and I'm gonna go shower.
That was 10 out of 10 experience. 10 out of 10. I could stand up first time, second time, third time too. Can you tell my followers how I did?
She's very good surfing.
Thanks.
She was good for first time.
Thank you. It's a proof. It's a proof for you that I'm not lying.
Okay, so New Villa was very close, like maybe 2 minutes walking, and this is so nice. It's just free and this is nice looking, but unfortunately there is no receptionist guy and nobody is here to help me, to assist me with all luggage, with the stuff, the key and everything. So this is my small journey, and I hope that Julie also is filming, I hope so, right now in her place, and we will do just, you know, what we are doing in the same moment, and it's like reality show, how your life can be, what can you do, and like different sides of one story. That everything has very lightful moments, and sometimes it's very hard to do it by yourself, but it's also okay. And your positive mind, what you think about it, how you can handle it, it's the main point. Like, you're not thinking, oh my god, I'm so, I don't know how to act, I don't know English, I don't know how to do this stuff, I don't know who can help me. No, you just see the life, how it truly is, and understand how many options do you have now. Julie is the same. I know she travels a lot around the world, and maybe you see only like beautiful picture how she's standing somewhere or just having fun, but she's a very strong girl, you know. She's very honest, and at the same time she's very feminine and masculine. I don't know how to explain it because I see her in real life and I know that she can handle everything by herself and like take all the stuff on her back. This is why she's training a lot.
Checking our pictures. Oh, that was so good. We are moving to another. Okay, hi. Dolmeti.
Oh, no.
Hi. Hi. Arrived to a place. Means love. Love in Balinese. Maybe you can put this in the fridge. This place was 10 out of 10. The food was so good. We didn't do pancakes this time. It was pretty much healthy except the toast, but we did the bit. So feeling healthy. We're gonna do the same thing right now. No,
Be
bro.
careful, he's gonna take it.
Yeah. Purple suits you. Really? Yeah, it looks very good. Like it's your outfit, not not accidentally like you wanna be there. Oh my, what are you doing, guys?
Look how many, there's a baby.
Yes.
So if you lose my phone, I'll kick your ass.
Not me, if they will grab me.
There.
Make it like more
Something.
He looks like you.
Thanks.
This is the reason why he's engaged, because it's not only about his appearance, it's also about his
Safety?
Yeah, safety, because
You're gonna fight him.
yeah. And he's yeah, he's weaker than others, so
He's weaker than others.
yes.
Maybe he would be happier to live shorter life, but be wild.
I don't know.
What you doing? Oh, those fingers.
Can I pet that dog? You have to cut your nails, by the way. Huge duck. Yeah. Oh, I don't think she feels healthy.
No. I can look at.
Okay.
Don't worry, it's yours.
Yeah, I think so.
The guy likes.
Yeah, so like flirting. They're flirting.
Who knows what is the name of this animal? I'm not sure it's a goat, but some maybe a rare goat, and its face looks like fox.
Видео.
Это и есть видео. It's too hot today.
Yeah, it's like very hot, and this thing is just making it even worse.
Yes.
So I'm like breathing.
Yeah, but
It's like synthetics.
but it's holy place, so we must do this. And we respect. Beautiful.
Just came to the beach club, and apparently it's just super full. Card.
We go?
Here you go. Okay. So you're just like here sitting, the whole family? Oh no. Oh no, what sounds are you making?
Is it promo for this place?
Okay, we moved the villa. And this looks very cozy. We need 1 minute, right? To just change or get change. Should we change now or should we change there? Now.
We just were 3 hours in this spa.
Going for this group class.
Finally, we're working out properly.